Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow users of the Wanderlog application and see their posts and their articles. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page by tapping on this home icon down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down, and here you can see featured guides from users. So if you are interested in the user and their other posts, click on their name. And here you can check out their trip plans and their guides. If you would like to follow them, tap on the follow button at the top of the screen next to the more button. Here you can unfollow them if you tap on the following button. You can block them, report them, or copy their profile link. Here you can see their followers, and you can check out their items that they have uploaded. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.